It includes fitting new General Electric F-138s, which are winding up now. Engines, pylons, auxiliary power units, and upgrades to aircraft skin and frame landing gear, cockpit pressurization system. Sounds like a major overhaul. Look at this baby go! Our crew today is Aircraft Commander Lieutenant Colonel Aaron Cook, Medina, New York. Pilot Major David Kreider, Galaxy. Oh, and you know, while it's buzzing along, the engine, each engine gulps 42 tons of air per minute. And you can put a bowling alley, 8 lanes in it too. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, slow flight, C-5M Super Galaxy. And here come the Golden Knights down the flight line. Thanks, guys. Appreciate your service and your performance here today. And speaking of performance, can you believe that something that big can fly that slow? Look at this. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The C-5M, the photo pass. Hang on, everybody. It's going to be quick.
I see it. Oh, yeah.
Spoilers are up. The thrust reversals are engaged. And the aircraft is stopped.
Come on, guys.
By the way, the call sign for this airplane? Fred. Big airplane, little name. I'd love to know the story of why they call her Fred.